Here we're going to change the indicator bulb on the wing mirror on this VW Crafter, exactly the same as a Volkswagen Crafter. It's the same as the Mercedes Sprinter. Got this bulb to go in. It's actually quite difficult to find. Move the mirror back, press the bottom down from the top, give it a pull, it should pop off, let that rest up there, and down on the bottom, should be exactly the same. Just give it a tug, pop off the ball joint, and here. So if you can see that, maybe give that a twist left, that comes out. There's no bulb in there because we've taken the other one out to see what type it was. The bulb should just push in. Like that. Once that's done, get it back down in here. Slide it into place. And got little notches here on the bulb holder, so you just need to twist it, a little bit hard to do single-handedly, but yeah, so you get the camera on there, you just need to find where the slots fit in. Okay, you got 4, one on each corner, and it should go straight in. This pushes in, it's a little bit tight, I don't know what's going on with it. Once it's in far enough, give it a twist to the right, and that's locked. Now it's locked in. So it's in and twist in a circular motion to lock it in. The bottom mirror should just push back on, and the top one just keeps back in place. Align it up and give it a shove. Flip it back in position, and we're done. These will just need adjusting back up to the right heights. That's all on that one.